Let's learn how to pronounce the ch and j consonants in American English. You'll combine the mouth position of two sounds. First, the lips come forward and flare away from the teeth, just like they do for the sh and zh consonants. The tongue is wide, and the blade is up, just behind the alveolar ridge. The air is stopped here and in the throat. Then the air is released as you bring the tongue down, and the air flows into the noisy part of the sound. The lips remain forward and flared. When making the j consonant, you should feel vibration in two places, in the throat and in the space between the upper and lower front teeth. The ch consonant does not have vibration because it is a voiceless sound, so the vocal cords are turned off as you say it.